In this demo, we're going to go over how to add dimensions with your DeckWorks software. Once you've created your deck and inserted your post and beam, go to the bottom left corner of your screen and you want to select the ruler with pencil, which is the dimension tools. You'll notice in your tool sets the very first option, constrain linear dimensions. You want to select that, and then on the top of your screen you're going to see additional options. We want to select the second option, which is going to do a chain of dimensions. Once we select that, we can zoom into our first point, left click one time, move down to our next dimension, left click a second time, and then we can actually pull out our dimension where we want it to be located and simply left click a third time. Now we want to move to our next spot and go ahead and double click on the next point, closing out our dimensions. You'll see that it will show that from the back of the home to the beam is 10 feet, and then we're cantilevering 2 feet. Once you've inserted those dimensions, we can go ahead and do the front. So simply left click one time to start. We're going to click in the middle of the beam just like we did before, and we're going to follow the same procedure across the entire deck. Once we get to our last point, go ahead and double click. Now, depending on what you want to show, you can change your precision. So right now we're showing 3/4. I can select this and even go as far as no fractions, and it'll even out everything for me. Now from here we can select the first option up top, which is going to do overall dimensions. We can simply click on the back of this dimension once. We'll click a second time at the overall, move our dimension out, and click a third time. And we're going to repeat that same process on the bottom. So as you can see, within a matter of minutes, you can add your dimensions in your drawings very easily and very quickly. And then from this point you can right click on your screen to your active layer scale, and it'll let you know what scale you're actually in at that current time. Now if you actually want to print this out on a paper to take it to county for permit, go ahead and select everything. Now we're going to go up into View, the pull down, and select Create Viewport. This brings up the Create Viewport menu. You want to go ahead and in your Create on Layer, go ahead and select your plan view. We're going to scale this to a 1/4 scale. Most counties require that. And we're just going to go ahead and press OK. Once this comes into your template, you can just left click and drag it to where you need it. You'll see that everything is 1/4 scale. There's a place for your logo as well as your information and the customer's information. Now for some reason, if you need to change this because it doesn't fit on your page, you can simply left click, and in your object info palette you'll see scale. Right now it's 1/4 scale. If I change that for an example to a scale, you'll see that it'll resize that. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach us at www.designworkscompany.com or call us at 888-317-8426.